And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, we've got another significant severe weather outbreak underway, this time unusually far to the north. Tornado watches to Minnesota. Look at all the tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings here, and wherever you see the purple boxes, those are confirmed tornadoes that are on the ground right now. And this is all racing to the northeast. This whole zone will see a pretty substantial severe weather outbreak this evening. We've already had wind gusts of 100 miles an hour near Hays, Kansas, 95 miles an hour at Salina, Kansas, and 93 miles an hour at Lincoln, Nebraska. So the bulk of this is here, but the tail end of it will come through our area as a weakening line of showers and thunder, and it may still have some gusts that are pretty intense with it, perhaps up around 60, 70 miles an hour in a few places between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. when it comes through. But kind of ahead of that line and just behind it, gusts 40 to 50 with the wind advisory right through the evening with an isolated passing shower and warm temperatures. Temperatures hanging out in the 60s, eventually drop to 50 by 8 o'clock in the morning at Greater Lafayette with lows 43 to 54 for the viewing area. Again, right in this zone, this band just ahead of and behind the line or the cold front, gusts 40 to 55 will be common, and then by 6, 8 o'clock in the morning, gusts 35 to 45. But as the front comes through, a few gusts plus 60 cannot be ruled out. And with the line not producing much lightning at all, if any, severe thunderstorm warnings may not be issued. This may fall under the jurisdiction of the wind advisory, or the Weather Service may put out a high wind warning or put out a weather statement. So it's hard to tell how they're going to treat this, but be aware, no matter what, we may get some pretty intense gusts from that line. And this is the model showing by 3 a.m. You can see quite a few gusts up to severe strength with just 58 miles an hour over the viewing area, and a few gusts perhaps at or even above 60 a little bit. And then after that, still some gusts through 7 a.m., good 45 miles an hour, and still some pretty good gusts through 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and really through 1 p.m. before later in the day you can see the winds gradually winding down. But be aware come tomorrow morning of a few power outages around and a few trees and limbs coming down as well. So here's this line. This is around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Here it comes in from the northwest. Right there it is, and there it is racing east-southeastward. By 5, it's racing out of here. Behind it, we'll see some showers and a little bit of thunder around. This is around 8:30 and 9, and then it gets out of here, and we see clearing tomorrow afternoon. So after a warm night, temperatures falling to about 37 to 42 tomorrow afternoon. There are your 35, 45 mile per hour gusts in the morning. Still pretty windy right through 3, 4, 5, and then the winds diminish. The sun comes out, but the warmest weather will be during the morning hours. These will be the temperatures by late afternoon. And finally, Friday, we cloud up from south to north. Could see a couple showers by 5. East wind 41 for the high. Rain on Friday night may end as just a little bit of icy mix or a little bit of snow on Saturday morning. Doesn't look to be a big deal, however. Then 33 Sunday, 39 Monday, couple rain snow showers, 41 Tuesday, and 31 colder on Wednesday.